Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable home surveillance mode on Xiaomi outdoor camera. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, navigate to home surveillance settings. Right here we can activate or deactivate home surveillance, and after that we'll be able to find all of the settings regarding it. So first one is monitoring time, and you can switch it to 24-hour surveillance, daytime surveillance, nighttime surveillance, or customized schedule. When you enter customized schedule, you'll be able to adjust the time on your own. Now let's go back and find position sensitivity settings that you can switch between high, medium, or low. There's also alarm interval that you can switch between 10 minutes or actually between 3 minutes to 30 minutes. And finally, the last one is detection push notifications that we can activate or deactivate. When they are activated, we can adjust our event notification type, like motion detection can be enabled and push when a movement is detected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.